Continuing on, CNC Group break number 4123. We're on to the 4 boxes of 1314 Crown Royale and Totally Certified. 2 each. There we go, starting off with the Crown. We've got a Ruby, number to 99 for the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. And an Heirs to the Throne jersey for the Buffalo Sabres, Zemgus Girgensons. Social signatures for the Philadelphia Flyers, Max Talbot. We've got a rookie auto Ruby, number to 99 for the Florida Panthers, Alex Petrovic. Base. And we've got a 3-color Heirs to the Throne patch, number 9 of 25 for the Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. Who? Seth Jones. All right, box 2 of Crown. We've got a Royal Lineage triple jersey prime numbered 18 of 25, which would be randomed between the Red Wings, Canucks, and Predators. Daniel Alfredson, Daniel Sedin, and Philip Forsberg. 18 of 25. We've got a Ruby number to 99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri. Mittens. And an Heirs to the Throne jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. Social signatures for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jack Johnson. Base. And we've got a rookie autograph number to 499 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jonathan Marchessault. Now on to the Totally Certifieds. All right, rookie for the Avalanche, Calvin Pickard. And a mirror red rookie jersey autograph, numbered 11 of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Eric Hartzell. 11 of 25 for the Penguins, Eric Hartzell. We've got a platinum blue rookie, numbered 43 of 50 for the Montreal Canadiens, Jared Tenorti. And we've got a 2-color Emerald patch, numbered 1 of 5 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. 1 of 5 for the Hawks, Duncan Keith. Rookie for the Sabres, Nikita Zadorov. And a jersey for the Predators, Gabriel Bork. We've got a platinum red number to 100 for the LA Kings, Jeff Carter. Rookie for the Ducks, Victor Fost. Autograph for the Vancouver Canucks, Joe Canada. And a clear cloth jersey numbered to 100 for the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton. All right, on to Totally Certified box number 2. All right, rookie for the Ducks, Michael Scarbosa, Rickard Rakell, and a rookie jersey auto for the Colorado Avalanche, Michael Scarbosa. We've got a platinum blue number /50 for the Anaheim Ducks, Jonas Hiller. Rookie for the Ducks, Emerson Edom. Autograph for the Nashville Predators, Philip Forsberg. And we've got a 2-color jersey prime, numbered 9/25 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Mark Howe. Platinum red rookie, numbered /100 for the Buffalo Sabres, Zemgus Girgensons. And we've got a slideshow, numbered /100 for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. And we've got a mirror platinum red rookie, number /25 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner. Rookie for the Oilers, Mark Arcabello. Rookie roll call jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. And an Epics dual jersey, number /50 for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. All right, coming up next, Anthology and Playbook.